Hello there, I'm Coach Kim. I'm going to be offering what I'm calling an Exponential Growth Planning Day on March 18th here in the Atlanta area for any small business owner who would love to join us. This is a specific day where you take the time as a business owner to focus working on the business versus being on the treadmill and working in the business. Most of us as business owners, and this is something I've seen over and over again with my clients over the last 12 years as I've been doing this work, they do not take the time to do this stuff. And it's really important because how do you know really where you're going if you don't sit down and get clear about where you want to go? So this day is going to be all about that. It's going to be 5 hours. I'm going to walk you through a process. You are going to brainstorm, talk about things, come up with ideas. This will help you reassess your dreams of your business, where you want it to go, how you're going to get there, and then the pieces that you need to put in place to move you towards your goals. We will set 3-year goals, 1-year goals, and 90-day goals. And out of this day, you're going to come out with a really clear action plan for the next 90 days to get you to those 90-day goals. And then in 90 days, we can reassess and do the same thing over again. So take some time for yourself. Know that this is really important. Business owners are great at taking care of their employees and their customers and their business partners, but very few really take the time to focus on themselves, on their business, and figure out how to create a business that will support the life you want. Because that's ultimately, I think, why we have our own businesses. There are certain things we want out of our lives and certain things we want to create out of our businesses to support those lives. But if we don't know what they are, or we've gotten off track, we really need to take the time to get back on track and create that plan. So hope you can join me March 18th from 10 to 3 p.m., 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. The address will be on the invite, and I hope you can join us. We're offering $100 off if you do this before March the 4th. And yeah, hope you can come. If you have any questions, please send me a message. I would be happy to chat with you. All right. Have a wonderful day.